ngayon sa Mitras Ranch. Isa rin ito sa mga paboritong pasyalan ng mga turista dito sa Puerto Princesa. At sa lahat ng mga first-timer in the house, you are part of this family and we warmly welcome you. Kaya sit back and relax because you're watching Life News. Ginanap ang ating Sunday service sa City Coliseum last June 2.
But if you are a disciple, tagasunod ni Kristo, disipulo ni Kristo, lumalakad, sumusunod sa Kanya, ang nararanasan mo, rumaragas ang pagpapala.
Be more excited dahil every first Sunday of the month sa Coliseum na ang ating Sunday service. At pagdating ng September, regular na ang ating Sunday services sa City Coliseum. Sa lahat ng mga mommies and daddies, kung kayo ay may mga anak ages 4 to 12 years old, pwede nyo nang i-enroll ang inyong mga anak sa ating School for Super Junior Disciples or the Champs. Schedule of classes are 7 a.m., 8:30 a.m., 10:30 a.m., and 2 p.m. Activities offered are storytelling, games, arts and crafts, sharing of their devotion, and counseling. We do this because at their young age, we want them to know Christ in a deeper and more creative way. Just contact Eunice Luciñara to these following numbers. To all 12 to 25 years old, inaanyahan namin kayo every Saturday sa ating Leadership Institute, 4 p.m. where we provide leadership trainings that will equip and empower you as a young leader. Just contact Jake and Vanjie to these following numbers. Para naman sa mga post-encounter and School of Leader 1 graduating classes, get ready dahil sa June 12 na ang inyong graduation. Para sa inyong mga tanong, makipag-ugnayan lamang sa inyong mga network leaders. Sa lahat naman ng nakapagtapos na ng kanilang pre-encounter class, watch out for our encounter retreat on June 21 to 22. At huwag na huwag kang mawawala every second Friday of the month sa ating Prayer Power, 9 p.m. at Life Church. And of course, tuwing Saturday naman ng 5:30 a.m. sa ating Morning Watch because we believe that prayer is power. At yan ang ating mga updates for this week. I'm Chester at kasama ko naman si Gustavo and this is Life News.